Can cinnamon lower blood sugar fast? Try this. Hey, wellness seekers, welcome back to Everwell Life, your go-to spot for simple science-backed health hacks. Today we're diving into a spice you've probably got sitting in your kitchen right now. Cinnamon. Yep, that warm, cozy powder you sprinkle on oatmeal or stir into coffee. But here's the question buzzing around. Can cinnamon actually lower blood sugar fast? And if so, how? Stick around, because we're unpacking its history, its origins, its benefits, and a super easy way to try it yourself. Let's spice things up. First, let's rewind the clock. Cinnamon isn't just a modern pantry staple. It's been a superstar for thousands of years. Picture this: ancient Egypt, around 2000 BCE. While pharaohs were building pyramids, cinnamon was so prized it was considered more valuable than gold. Traders hauled it across deserts, and it was used in everything from perfumes to embalming rituals. Talk about multitasking. The Greeks and Romans got in on the action too, calling it a luxury spice for the elite. They burned it as incense, flavored wines with it, and even believed it had healing powers. So where did this treasure come from? Cinnamon's story starts with the cinnamomum tree, specifically two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the bolder, more common variety. Ceylon hails from Sri Lanka, an island off India's coast where it's been harvested for centuries. Cassia, meanwhile, traces its roots to China and Southeast Asia. While both have health benefits, Ceylon cinnamon is considered the better choice due to its lower coumarin levels, making it safer for long-term use. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, is more potent but contains higher amounts of coumarin, which may be harmful in large doses. Let's talk about why cinnamon's still stealing the spotlight. Beyond its sweet, woody vibe, this spice is packed with perks. For starters, it's loaded with antioxidants that can fight off cell damage from free radicals. Think of it like a shield for your body against everyday wear and tear. It's also got anti-inflammatory powers, which can help tame swelling and soreness in the body. Ever heard of polyphenols? Cinnamon's rich in them, and they're like VIP nutrients for keeping you feeling good. But it's not just about defense. Cinnamon's a superstar when it comes to flavor too. It adds warmth to dishes without piling on sugar or calories, making it a guilt-free way to satisfy a sweet tooth. From sharpening brain focus to soothing an upset stomach, this spice has been a favorite in traditional medicine for ages. Ayurveda and Chinese healers swore by it for digestion and energy. So yeah, cinnamon's got a lot going for it, but can it really tackle blood sugar? Alright, let's break it down. Your blood sugar, aka glucose, is the fuel your body runs on, but when it spikes too high, especially after a carb-heavy meal, it can throw things off. Over time, that's a recipe for trouble like insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. That's where cinnamon steps in to save the day. Studies like ones from the American Diabetes Association have dug into this. They found that compounds in cinnamon, especially in cassia, mimic insulin's job. Insulin's the hormone that shuttles sugar from your blood into your cells. Cinnamon's magic lies in stuff like cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols, which can make your cells more sensitive to insulin. Translation: your body handles sugar better, and levels don't skyrocket as much. One study showed that just 1 to 4 grams, that's about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, daily could drop fasting blood sugar by up to 29% in some folks with diabetes. Another perk, it slows how fast your stomach empties after eating, so sugar trickles into your blood more gradually. Now, fast is relative. It's not like chugging a cinnamon shot will fix a spike in 5 minutes, but over hours or days it can smooth things out. Ceylon's milder and safer for long-term use since it's low in coumarin, a compound in cassia that can strain your liver in big doses. Some people may also experience allergic reactions or digestive issues. While the results are promising, experts suggest that cinnamon should be used as a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a standalone cure. But wait, cinnamon's got more up its sleeve than just blood sugar help. While it's busy with blood sugar, it's also flexing other health wins. Heart health? Check. Those antioxidants we mentioned can lower bad cholesterol and keep your ticker humming. Brain boost? Some research hints it might protect against Alzheimer's by blocking pesky protein buildups in the brain. And if you've ever had a cold, cinnamon's antimicrobial vibes might help fight off bacteria or fungi lurking around. Oh, and bonus points. It's a natural breath freshener. Forget gum. Ancient folks chewed cinnamon sticks for that. So, whether you're dodging a sugar crash or just want to feel sharper, cinnamon's got your back. So how do you get this into your life? Here's a dead simple trick to try. The cinnamon water hack. Grab a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, Ceylon if you can. Cassia, if that's what you've got. Stir it into a glass of warm water. Add a drizzle of honey if you want a little sweetness, totally optional. Sip it first thing in the morning or after meal. Why warm water? It helps release cinnamon's compounds and feels cozy going down. Not a fan of drinking it? Sprinkle it on oatmeal, mix it into a smoothie, or dust it over apple slices. Start small, half a teaspoon, and see how you feel. Heads up, too much cassia can overdo the coumarin, so don't go wild. Stick to half to 1 teaspoon max daily. And if you're on medications for diabetes, consult with your doctor first. Ready to test it? Your blood sugar might just thank you. And there you have it. Cinnamon's not just a spice, it's a health hero with roots deep in history. From ancient Egypt to your kitchen, it's here to help with blood sugar and beyond. Give that cinnamon water a whirl, and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you love this, smash that like button, subscribe for more health hacks, and I'll catch you in the next one.